To set up Bixby on your Samsung Galaxy A57, all you need to do is simply open up the Settings app and then scroll and select Advanced Features. From here, tap on Bixby, and then you just need to give Bixby access to these required permissions. So go ahead and tap on Continue, and then choose the language you want to set up Bixby with and the language Bixby is going to be using. By default, it sets your system language, but you can always customize it to your liking. Then just tap on Next. And then you'll be prompted to say phrases so that Bixby can be able to recognize your voice. So just wait for it to load. And then say the phrases. Hi Bixby, set an alarm for 7 a.m. Hi Bixby, how can I make the battery last longer? Hi Bixby, raise the volume and play music. And then once you've finished saying the phrases, you then want to choose your activation phrase, whether it's Hi Bixby or just Bixby. Then you want to tap on Next. From here, simply select Done, and now you'll be brought to your Bixby settings. But in order for you to be able to use Bixby, you just need to say your phrase and whatever task you want Bixby to do. So say, for example, you want to find the best restaurant or you want to set an alarm. All you need to do is simply say the activation phrase and the statement. So, hi Bixby, find me the best restaurants in Manhattan.
Using Bixby. Do you agree?
Then you may be prompted to give some necessary permissions, such as access to your location, depending on the task that you're performing, and then it will give you the results, or it will complete the task that you've asked it to do. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.